welcome to
Radio Tashan.
learn along with fun.
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल रेडियो टैशन को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। कैसे हैं आप? मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अमन और आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो टशन, जो छू ले आपका मन। चलिए प्रारंभ करते हैं आज का अपना कार्यक्रम। लेकिन उससे पूर्व, जैसा कि सदियों से हमारी परंपरा रही है कि हम किसी भी कार्यक्रम को प्रारंभ करने से पहले दीप प्रज्वलित करके माता सरस्वती जी को याद करते हैं। तो आइए चलते हैं उस ओर। Well, before we head towards the prize distribution, it will be fair to know the motive of the program. All of a sudden, me and my friend, late Mr. Yash Gupta, were talking about how to make this lockdown entertaining and enjoyable for all the people who are with us. First of all, we organized a competition called GK Quiz, in which we have received huge response from the participants across India. Later, we decided to do this type of competition, in which we organized 6 competitions together. It was 7, but later we reduced it to 6. There was a combination or combine of one competition into another. The motive of this program was to give a platform to all those who are having some ability and they are not being able to utilize their abilities. In this program, we have received some very good talent that can be impactful on a world level in the coming years. Now it's time to go towards the final prize distribution. So let's across to that party. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the post-prize distribution ceremony of a competition Mehfil-e Tashan. Before we start prize distribution ceremony, it will be only fair to thank all those hard workers who supported us through this competition. We have decided to thank them all in categorization. The first category is known as Documentation Committee, in which we have got late Mr. Yash Gupta. He is one of the founder of this channel as well. He is not here with us, but I hope wherever he will be, he'll be watching us through from there. Now if I talk about second committee, that is admin panel. In the male group, we have got Mr. Sanjeev Tiwari, Mr. Haripal, Mr. Junaid, Mr. Rajendra, and some other. If I talk about female group, we have got a prominent girl, Miss Aanchal. She hold that group quite nicely, and time to time she had given her presentation as well. Now if I talk about third committee, that is known as technical committee as well as editing committee too. In this committee we have got Mr. Rajendra, Mr. Shubhendra, sometime Mr. Raj, who also manage for some preparation. If I talk about next committee, that is known as audience, you guys have also played huge role to make this event successful. So on behalf of Radio Tashan team, I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart, and I wish you will always be with us in the coming days too. Well, it's now time to go towards the prize distribution ceremony. So, as you all know that there are 6 categories in this competition. Before it was 7, but later it reduced to 6. So here we go for the first category. The first category is painting, and the prize goes to Miss Priyanka, who received 70 likes, and there was no other participant in spite of her in this competition. So many congratulations to you on receiving this award. Now if I talk about next competition, that is storytelling. In this competition we have received some stories, but the winner will be only one as per the rules. So the prize goes to Miss Saleha Mansoori. She received 145 likes, and the competitor were lots of, but there were nobody who would have competed with Saleha Mansoori in spite of Miss Manisha, who received 104 likes. So congratulations to you, Saleha, for your performance as well as on receiving the awards from this channel. Now if I talk about next competition, that is dance competition. Note that all the competitions are based on the likes. So the winner of this competition is Miss Muskan Gupta. She received 210 likes, and the competitor of this competition was Mr. David Joshi, who received 136 likes. Congratulations to you, Muskan, for your performance as well as on receiving this award too. Now if I talk about next competition, that is music competition. In this competition we have received lots of responses, lots of presentations, but the winner will be one as per the rules. So the prize goes to Miss Sonal. She received 282 likes. 262 likes. And the competitor of this competition was Miss Supreet Kaur with 203 likes. We have gone through with some good songs Either it's Jyoti or some other participant who sang well. Lastly, we received a presentation from Leela. She was from Gujarat. I was really impressed with that presentation. That was fantastically played. Sham Mujhko Apna Lo. That was the name of the song I remember. So you can understand, if I remember that song, how beautiful she would have sang. Now, coming back to the next category, and that is Shero Shairi and Comedy. There were some good contender, but the prize goes to Miss Sharon. She received 486 likes on her performance. So congratulations to you for playing, participating with us and receiving this award from this channel. The competitor of this competition was the second highest like getter, Miss Vibha Gupta. She received 340 likes. Nevertheless, Muskan Gupta and Vibha Gupta are sisters. So Vibha Gupta is not the winner, but Muskan has got her award. So both of you can enjoy yourselves in one only. Coming back to the next, last but not the least, it is poetry, in which we have received some good poems, some patriotism poem, some other poems. कुछ मच्छर वाली कविता थी, जबरदस्त तरीके से प्रेजेंट किया गया उसको. But the prize goes to Mr. Prajwal Barnwal. He received 742 likes. So congratulations to you, man, for such a wonderful performance and receiving this award from this channel. And the competitor of this competition was Mr. Rajendra Singh with 683 likes. He also did well, but little less in comparison to Prajwal Barnwal. So that's all we have from presentation ceremony. Thank you so much once again for all of you for participating, supporting throughout this event. I hope all of you will continuously stay with us in the coming years as well. Once again, many congratulations to you all for such a wonderful performances. Thank you.